How to remove red dot on iPhone phone app. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device. Tap on the notifications option. Scroll down and find the phone option and tap on that. You will see the option for badges. Toggle lock the button for badges. If it is still not fixed, you can also force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. After force restarting, go to Settings, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless none of your data or media will be deleted. Now toggle on the button for airplane mode and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before toggling it off again. Also, go to cellular and make sure the toggle button for phone is toggled on. Your phone app should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.